CPSC Vision. CPSC is a dynamic institution of higher learning which is accessible, globally competitive, culturally and morally sensitive towards sustainable ecotourism and natural resource development. CPSC Mission. Pursuant to Section 3 of Republic Act 7923, the college shall provide professional, technical, and special instruction for special purposes and to promote research and extension services, advanced studies, and progressive leadership in agriculture, forestry, engineering, arts and sciences, and other relevant studies. Quality Policy. Camiguin Polytechnic State College, an institution of higher learning in the island of Camiguin, commits to provide quality higher professional, technical instruction, research, extension, and production services, advanced studies for progressive leadership in agriculture, teacher education, engineering and computer studies, industrial technology, arts and sciences, tourism, business, and public administration. To achieve this, CPEC shall deliver quality service to stakeholders, adhere to regulatory requirements, establish professional and ethical standards, adapt changes in education system as required by law, forge agreement with the SOCs and line agencies locally and internationally, update the qualification and strengthen competencies of faculty members, improve its key processes and procedures in delivering quality instruction and relevant research and extension service, and pursue continual improvement to quality management system as higher learning institution and partner in sustainable development. Objectives to offer excellent and relevant baccalaureate degree program in agriculture, to produce quality instructional materials relevant to the degree program, to inculcate moral values for total human development, to promote quality researches relevant to local, regional, and national development goals, to package generated agricultural technologies for farmers, fisher folks, and other stakeholders, to promote relevant agriculture technologies for improved quality of life,